Hello, everyone. Earlier today, I said after I left church services, I was going to talk about DCU. I've been receiving a lot of emails with questions on building or rebuilding your credit. Now, one of the financial institutions I am a member of is DCU.org. DCU.org is a credit union. It only takes $5 to join DCU, plus you have to join an organization. The organization I joined was Reach Out for Kids. This cost me $10 plus the 5. It was $15 to join DCU. Now I'm going to share my screen and show you their secured credit card to build or rebuild your credit. Here we go. All you have to do, family, is go to dcu.org, go through the website. You have to join first by applying, and no, they don't hard pull you for membership. Now, I want to say this. DCU has partnered or merged with First Tech Federal Credit Union. First Tech Federal Credit Union offer $100,000 credit cards. Think about it like this. Once you join DCU, I want to say around January, February of 2025, DCU and First Tech Federal will merge. Okay. This is an excellent opportunity for everyone because, on one hand, DCU serves individuals with credit builder products. First Tech serve individuals with 700 plus credit scores. When you bring this merger together, oh baby, you and I, because I'm already a member. I ain't gonna lie. I already tapped in. I'm just trying to spread the wealth, family. I'm just trying to spread the wealth. You need to just join dcu.org, go down to the membership tab, join them. Reach Out for Schools is the organization. Call the 800 number, whatever you have to do. It's real simple, family. If you're rebuilding your credit, this is what you want. Real cut and dry. What I'm seeing when I'm doing consultations is that a lot of individuals have utilization issues and they have late payment issues. So, one of the ways we're getting around this late payment deal is we're fixing our mindset, recognizing that we can't be late on our bills, family. And we're rebuilding credit with new financial institutions. Now, with me, I have all financial institutions on my file. My credit profile is full of financial institutions. I don't have any strong credits. I don't have any that other stuff. See, what you guys don't understand is that when you add some of these subprime borrowers to your file, you're putting yourself in a bucket. Yes. When you have strong financial trade lines like credit unions or banks, credit profile strong. And it's nothing you cannot have, family, when you have a strong credit profile. So I'm going to show it to you again. This is what you want. If you're under a 700 credit score, family, if you got a bunch of late payments, if you have bad credit, keep it simple, keep it plain. Get you one of these secured credit cards. DCU.org. It's called Platinum Secured Credit Card. Okay? Platinum Secured Credit Card. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, family. I've been struggling with this computer for about 2 hours trying to get this content out to you all because I said I was going to review this DCU organization, which is a credit union. It's not a bank. It's member owned. So when you join, you become a member like me. I'm a member. Okay? If this content has added any value to you, give me one of these. If you have a comment that you need answered, put it down at the bottom. If you're new to the Credit Cousin YouTube channel, please subscribe. This is what we're doing. We're helping one another. So, until my next video, oh, you need any help with your credit? There's my email address. Until my next video, family, you be blessed.